In this YouTube, we're going to conduct a trial analysis of the window trial design. The window trial design enables you to place small treatment areas in the middle of soil zones in your paddock. Data extraction for this trial is relatively straightforward, as there's no data irregularities in the immediate trial vicinity. You may see further away header turnarounds or slow points of dots closer together, but these are not going to affect the trial results. We observe a 10 metre buffer zone either side of a treatment boundary to allow for any misplaced GPS points as the harvester is progressing from one treatment zone to another. In this case, the treatment zones are approximately 100 metres in length by around 40 metres in width. This has enabled 3 header runs to be easily located inside each treatment zone. Comparison within the single run line prevents any direction effect or multiple machine calibrations affecting yield results. Once we've observed our buffer zones, we then can start to snip out individual lines of data within a run row. We then compare the averages of each of these combinations of data points. Here's a diagrammatic expression of those data averages. We can then compare these means in a graphical format as seen here. This trial result clearly shows that treatments 1 and 2 are significantly lower than the controls outside the treatment zone. On average, both treatments had a negative impact of around about half a tonne per hectare. The window trial design is relatively simple in data extraction and comparison. It does, however, rely heavily on GPS locating of the trial on its laydown, particularly in trials that span over several years, for example gypsum and lime applications. You may also choose to interrogate this data further using statistical software. It's advisable to seek advice from a biometrician in this process.